Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study the further topic of chapter number 7, Introduction to Microbiology. Today we are going to learn about probiotics, bread and vinegar production. So let's begin. Probiotics. Now probiotics, these are also the milk products but contain active bacteria. Lactobacillus acidophilus, Lactobacillus casei, and Bifidobacterium bifidum. These are the types of bacteria which are used in production of probiotic substances. These microbes maintains the balance of intestinal microorganism, that is, they will increase the population of microbes, helping the digestion and decrease the population of harmful microbe, that is Clostridium. Today, probiotic products are available in various forms like yogurt. Yogurt is similar to dahi but it is more acidic than kefir. Now what is a kefir? It is a fermented milk drink with sour taste. And production of sauerkraut. Now sauerkraut is the pickle of cabbage. Similarly, probiotics are also used in making of dark chocolates and miso soup. हे सर्व पदार्थ प्रोबायोटिक आहेत. Now what are the benefits of probiotics? Probiotics promotes the digestive health. That means our digestive system works properly. Then it improves immune system. रोग प्रतिकारक क्षमता आपली वाढू शकते प्रोबायोटिक्समुळे. थर्ड पॉईंट, इट डिटर्स द ग्रोथ ऑफ बॅड बॅक्टेरिया. म्हणजेच क्लॉस्ट्रिडियम नावाचं जे बॅक्टेरिया आपल्या शरीरात असू शकेल त्याचा संपूर्ण नायनाट प्रोबायोटिक्स करू शकणार आहे. फोर्थ वन, इट स्ट्रेंथन्स द स्टमक लाइनिंग. नाउ व्हाट इज मीन बाय स्टमक लाइनिंग? देर आर सर्टन ग्लैंड्स प्रेजेंट इन स्टमक which produces some acid, for example dilute hydrochloric acid. And also probiotics produces vitamin B5. So for all these purposes probiotics are useful to us. Then we are also going to take information about bread formation. There are different types of bread which are produced from flour of cereals. Now dough is formed by mixing of baker's yeast such as cerevisiae. Then water is added and salt is also added. Due to the fermentation of carbohydrates by yeast, sugar is converted into carbon dioxide and ethanol, and dough rises up due to carbon dioxide and bread becomes spongy. Now there are some steps given over here. First of all, wheat is needed. For 20 minutes it is kept. Proofing means the step in which dough is allowed to rest and rise. After then that, knocking down is done. Now knocking down means pulling and stretching the dough to remove large pockets of air. Again proofing is done and then the dough is added to the grease pan. म्हणजे तेल लावलेलं जे भांडं असेल ज्याच्यात बेकिंग करायचं असेल अशा ठिकाणी हे डव ठेवलं जातं. अगेन प्रूफिंग इज डन मीन्स इट इज अलाउड टू सेट. देन बेकिंग इज डन फॉर 225 degrees Celsius for nearly about 30 to 35 minutes and then it is allowed to cool to get the fluffy bread. So this is the process. Now we are also going to take information about vinegar. Chemically, vinegar is 4% acetic acid and the formula for acetic acid is CH3COOH. Vinegar is used to impart sour taste to food material. आंबट चव आणण्यासाठी विनेगरचा वापर केला जातो. Example, pickle, sauce and in chutneys also vinegar is used. Ethanol is obtained by fermentation of sugar molasses with yeast Saccharomyces. Then mixture of bacterial strains like Acetobacter and Glucanobacter. Here in this pic you can see first pic is of Acetobacter and second pic is of Glucanobacter. It is mixed with ethanol for its microbial degradation. Acetic acid is bleached with potassium ferrocyanide, then it is pasteurized, and finally small amount of sulfur dioxide is mixed to produce the vinegar. So here today we have taken some information. Thank you very much.